This video is going to be the gift for my trading community, those who regularly watch the videos and they do not skip. So this is the best video for them, because I can assure you that if you practice for few days on a demo account, then you can simply make a lot of money just using this simple method that I'm going to explain in this video. And this basically method works on everything, like if you trade forex, stocks, crypto, and whatever you trade on TradingView, this basically actually works, and I will explain that how you can take your possible entries. So then we are going to trade the volume based trading, and I will explain that how you can practically implement this strategy on your trading account with a lot of success ratio. Okay, first of all, let me tell you that what indicator is this. So first of all, this is the indicator that is called HAW Hawk. Okay, I volume with volume spike alert. I repeat, that is Hawk Eye volume with volume spike alert, and the name of author is Nanda86. And you can see the high numbers are coming on this indicator. Why? Because it has a good opportunity for the retail traders. Okay, you know that the market makers, the smart money can do anything, but they cannot normally they cannot hide the volumes, okay. Yes, this is quite difficult to understand what could be the possible after this volume, what could be the possible move, but I will try to explain in this video that how you can actually take your trades. Okay, so the spike that you are looking here is basically telling you the high volume, and we need to see that it should not be low, in the sense like this is the low volume, this is the low volume. So we want something that is ultra high. If you just look at this volume, that's ultra high, and we will all ignore the other volumes that are in the market, like this one, this one, this one. Okay, so basically the ultra high volume is the is the basically identification that something is going to happen next. Okay, so let's analyze this chart on this high volume. So how we will predict that the price can be bullish or the bearish? The answer is simple. First of all, we will see that what's happening over there. Okay, this was the support area for the retail traders. So retailers were basically buying at that area. So this long bearish candle, this long size bearish candle has taken the liquidity that it hit the stop losses that were available on the lower side of this order block. So after hitting the stop losses, now see the spike is coming. It means that this is the possible next direction of the market to be bullish. Okay, you can see one more thing. After this volume, this is quite possible that they can set up a trap move. Like if we talk about the move from here to here, that's a trap move, and the retailers were trapped that the price wants to further go down. But actually, you need to like you can simply go for any order block indicator, or you can see any other level indicator. So basically the lower entry was possible, and you can see the price is reversed. So basically the high volume, the ultra high, not only high, the high volume plays a major impact. Okay, okay, look at this one. There is another high volume near to the ultra high, not very clear ultra high, but this is the highest volume that we have seen here. Okay, so now the same thing you need to understand, that what's possible. This was the sport area they were buying. Okay, they liquidated, and after the liquidation, see what is the next momentum. You can see the price is even to the next one. Okay, however, this after this volume, we will not consider this volume, but this is a semi ultra. We cannot say it in fact we cannot say it ultra, but this is also high volume. So the high volume is basically told to you almost at that place, and after what you see, that after it simply went up. Okay, so please understand that volume has a high role in the market. Like for example, if we talk about, look at this one, pound USD, the same thing. The price was coming way down, way down, and way down, and there was the high volume in the market. See what happened? The price, in fact, moved into the upward side. Okay, now the new volume is coming, so we can simply assume that it has liquidated the liquidity pool here, and that's a possible signal that the price can go into the upward direction from this level. So you can set up your stop losses according to your choice. Now just look at this one, another one, the high volume spike. Okay, similarly, that was your support area. It was broken, it was liquidated, the high volume coming. So see here, the next price is simply into the upward side. So this is how we can simply predict the high volume in the market. Okay, now here sometimes it's a bit tricky. Okay, so however, the price liquidated the upper liquidity, but if you still see after the high volume there is a bearish breakout, it means that the price wants to go further down. This is also a possible thing. Now you can implement this strategy on anything like forex, crypto, stocks, whatever you can. Now just look at this one. The high volume is coming here when the price has almost liquidated this resistance, and the high volume is coming at this stage. It was a clear message that the price wants to go into the downward direction after this high volume. So next time use this indicator, and hopefully you will enjoy very good results, because at least this indicator tells you what is gonna happen next. But again, remember, this is not a buy sell signal indicator. Yes, this actually tells you where the high volume is coming, and then you can decide which side the price can possibly go. Hopefully you'll I hope that you have liked this video and have learned something from this video. If you have learned anything from this video, then let me know into the comment section. Moreover, if you want to book the lifetime version of my private indicators, check the Telegram channel, check the website fxmentorus.com.